Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm signing in from my mom's kitchen, and today's video will be all about the Raksha Bandhan special dishes that my mom's gonna make for me and my brother. And she's gonna make two different authentic Bengali thalis consisting the dadas and mine's favorite items, and I'm gonna show you the preparing of the main dishes that I could shoot in between the rituals of Raksha Bandhan. Now let's go towards the kitchen and find out what my mom's cooking today. And oh yes, I entered at the right time. Mom's making the sorshe ilis, that is hilsa fish in mustard curry, which is the most favorite of mine. She is marinating all the pieces with salt and turmeric powder, and now the mustard paste she's gonna grind at the traditional shil bata. And she added poppy seeds and mustard grains in 1:2 ratio and the bunches of green chilies. This is how the grinding looks like when the mixture grinder was not available before, and needs lots of patience and strength too to make a fine paste like this. You see, the generation of us know only the idea of the mixture and grinder these days. Anyway, now she's again mixing the paste with the marinated hilsa pieces, and just love the recipes that mom makes for me and everything of this. And even any of her effortless cooking turns out so delicious that I guess all the audience thinks the same like me, that his mom's is the best cook, right? Now on hot oil, she added some nigella, that is the black cumin seeds, and releasing the pieces one by one. And this is bhapa sorshe ilish, and that's the steamed hilsa. So you no need to fry the fish separately. Just add the fishes direct on oil and adjust the quantity of the oil as per your fish pieces. And yes, Ma used a hell lot of oil. But you see, authentic Bengali foods have a hard belief: less oil is to less taste. Jokes apart, now adding some more of the green chilies. Next she added a little water to adjust the consistency of the curry, some red paprika, some salt to taste, and now the time to cover for 10 minutes and it's ready. Next one is the mango chutney. She has sliced up a mango and add those on a karai in 2 tablespoons of oil with panch phoron, that is the tarka, which consists of cumin seeds, nigella seeds, fenugreek seeds, fennel seeds and mustard seeds. Now let it cook for a while, and 1 bowl of sugar and mix it well. Some turmeric, some mom's secret chutney masala, and finally it turned into like this. Third item is also my favorite, that is the curry of cottage cheese ball. This is something different from the paneer, as mom made the chana first from the milk, then loosely hung that and added some salt, red paprika, some amount of rice flour to bind, as she is giving a ball like shape. She is too pro in doing all this, no? Now the frying time. Fry all the balls to some extent red so it won't break while boiling in the curry. The curry is already made while I was busy attending a call. And now never mind, she made the curry with ginger and cumin paste with the boiled aloo and parble. And yes, aloo in any Indian curry is a must, right? And it turned into like this, and used 1 teaspoonful desi ghee and garam masala after turning off the flame. Now it's turn of the katla curry, marinated with just turmeric and salt, frying the fishes on the mustard oil on high flame. Fry those all from the both sides to some extent red. Then Ma needed a helping hand with the ingredients to make the curry. So peeling off the gingers and roughly chopped 2 medium-sized of tomatoes, and she's gonna make a paste with this. And frying the aloo, here's the paste of the cumin chilies along with the tomato and the ginger, and added 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and it goes straight to the karai. And frying and adding the fried fishes and fry everything once again. Now adding some hot water to adjust the consistency of the curry, some red paprika, salt to taste, and it's ready. Next one is the another local fish. Don't know its good name. In Bengali we call chapila. Yes, chapila. So mom's frying this fish, and which were of course marinated with the turmeric and the salt. I just love eating these fish fries. Though she's gonna make a curry out of these fishes, but told mom to keep some for me aside, that I'm gonna eat fried only itself. For the curry, 1 medium sized of onion and some chopped green chilies, rich curd or the Chinese okra, whatever you call, and potato. And she's gonna fry all this on the same oil, some turmeric and the paste of cumin and ginger, and covered it for 4 to 5 minutes. Now some more green chilies and some water so the masala don't get burnt. Now adding hot water to adjust the consistency, and the fishes go the last. And you might have got exhausted to watch so many items at a time. Now think what was my condition to eat all these, even a little amount from every preparation. But I must say, I did gobble up everything with relish. Hope you have loved watching my today's video. If yes, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.